Are you looking to get better SEO ranking, better website performance, drive more traffic to your website, and get ahead of your competition? As a reviewer, I've had the chance to test out a ton of SEO tools, and I have to say, SEOtest.live is one of the best I've come across. One of the things that sets SEOtest.live apart is its ease of use. It's easy to sign up, generate SEO reports, and use the other features of the tool. Even if you're not an SEO expert, you'll be able to use SEOtest.live to optimize your website's performance and drive more traffic. The SEO reports that SEOtest.live generates are comprehensive and easy to understand. They cover all the important factors, like title tags, meta descriptions, in-page links, and more. And they provide actionable suggestions for improvements, so you know exactly what to do to boost your search engine rankings. In addition to the SEO reports, SEOtest.live offers a range of other tools and features to help you optimize your website. You can check your backlinks, track your search engine rankings, analyze your competitors' websites, and more. And the best part is that SEOtest.live is constantly updating and improving its tools to make sure you have access to the latest and greatest in SEO technology. One area where SEOtest.live really shines is its attention to detail. It covers all the important areas of SEO, like title tags, meta descriptions, in-page links, and more. And it also covers some of the more technical areas of SEO, like text compression and image optimization. With SEOtest.live, you can be confident that you're covering all the bases when it comes to SEO. Another thing I appreciate about SEOtest.live is its focus on user experience. The tool is designed to make SEO easy and fun. Yes, I said fun. The reports are easy to read and understand. And the other tools are intuitive and user-friendly. And the fact that it's free is just the icing on the cake. Overall, I would highly recommend SEOtest.live to anyone looking to optimize their website's SEO performance. Whether you're an SEO expert or a beginner, SEOtest.live has everything you need to take your website to the next level. So go ahead, sign up for SEOtest.live and get ready to supercharge your SEO.